Good times. What is up, folks? Need for Steve back at it with another Grom vlog. Today, I'm hoping that the audio quality is much better than the last video that I was talking about, but this is my second day doing this vlog setup. I did some test audio yesterday after my initial vlog, I guess, I don't know, whatever. So I'm hoping that the audio is better. If it isn't, give me some time. I'm still kind of working out the kinks here. I think a lot of it is just the gain from the microphone, but the Rode Wireless Go 2 has a feature. I don't know what the hell it's called. It's like pan mode, I guess, is supposed to help eliminate exterior audio with like a lavalier microphone. So that's what this little thing is right here behind my camera. Oh, good. Okay. So yeah, I'm hoping that the audio is much better. Gotta go to the post office to go deliver a package. I got qualms with the post office. I'll tell you why. I mean, I can always see why they're out of money, because like their fucking delivery staff is terrible. I don't know, the remote guy that we used to have was really good, but he's gone to greener pastures. We haven't seen him in a minute. But the most recent mail person that we have, bless their heart, well, that's the term they use in the South for a nice way of calling people retards. Bless their heart. I had sold all of my Cena stuff. I'm no longer Cena. I am Team Cardo. Cardo by hands is way nicer than Cena. There's no intercom or signal issues. It doesn't pop. It doesn't rattle. It just works. It connects, and it just works. The sound is fantastic. You don't have to be at a fucking like scream your heart into it. That's awesome. I got the what do they call it, the Packtalk or Pack Bolt or Packtalk Bolt Edge. I don't know what the hell it's called, but it's magnetic, so just like you can clip it off, charge it by USB-C, pop it back on the helmet. It's good for like 14 hours of talk time. That's awesome. If there's one of the benefits that I like about the Cardo, is it tells you your battery status when you turn it off. That's great. Like, I don't know why Cena doesn't do that, but Cardo heads down for the win. I'm super sad it took me this long to get to Cardo, but I'm happy to be part of Team Cardo. Anyways, back to my rant about the post office. I've got 2 complaints to him. I mean, again, this first world problems. That's really just something to talk about and make a vlog about, right? So when I was before I had I sell everything through Facebook Marketplace, and of course they use the post office for everything, which is fine. Again, not my ideal situation, but you know, you can reach a broader audience for when you want to sell shit. I took a loss on that damn thing, but my problem is somebody else's problem now. So, anyways, that's a fucking sweet van. I don't know what the hell it is, but that's rad. That is a wicked nice van. Attention span of a fucking dog or a squirrel or whatever. There was a place that was like right down the street from where they used to take packages to. They started charging for to drop post office packages there. I'm like, why? The people come by anywhere to pick them up. So, what's a fucking 5-pound box gonna do any good to take up some frame? But I think since they changed that and got under new management, but I figure we'll just go to the post office because it's nice out and just gives me a reason to go take the Grom out for a rip. Anyways, essentially you can schedule online pickups. So the post office guy would, like, the postmaster, someone from the post office would come by your door, swing by and get your package, and that'd be the end of it. Problem was is I did that, and nobody came by to pick it up, so I had to physically just go take it to the post office like I'm doing right now. And the funny part was is that it was
Putin's kleptocracy. Yeah.
I'd sent it out on the 26th of May or September. I got a notification on October 3rd it was picked up and it was delivered. I'm like, yeah, man, not that you guys did anything, but giving me confirmations of stuff that you guys didn't do is fucking hilarious. So, again, they can't rely on the post office to do shit. I'm like, they deliver packages. Doesn't matter if you might get it on time or not, but that's apparently what they do. My other qualm was is when I took that initial package, the Sena 10C Pro, fuck you Sena, to the post office. I asked them like, hey, I'm going on vacation from this day to this day, will you guys hold my mail? I was like, that's cool, we can do that, fill it out. I come back, my mailbox is completely stuffed full of fucking mail. I'm like, again, apparently you guys didn't hold packages. I should go by and see if they have any mail, but I think they just delivered it like they normally do, so again, what's the point of asking for a service if you guys aren't going to do it? Really just first world bitching at this point, but I gotta get it off my chest because it's something to talk about. Again, if you need to mail things, I would look elsewhere like UPS or FedEx. I typically don't have problems with either one of those, but this one I do. United States Postal Service, always on top of my ass. Although it'd be kind of fun to be a post office driver. Go around, go through people's mail, keep Amazon packages, maybe. I feel like that's something I would do. It's like, I don't know what to tell you. I was going to say anything about the post office taking packages. No one. Although delivering for Amazon is kind of a different story. I once had a package. I don't know what the hell happened to it. I think it got stuck to another package, and I delivered it, and whoever I delivered it to got another package for free. So it happens. Don't get mad at your Amazon people. We can do the best we can. I always do the morning routes between like 4 and 8 a.m. Typically, because like 8 a.m. comes around, I'm like, sweet, I can go ride the Grom, go take a nap. I'm good. But you know, that is what it is at this point. But I think that's gonna do it for this vlog. I'm almost to the post office, so I appreciate you guys for watching, living, vibing, whatever you guys do. I will, yeah, for sure. See you guys in the next one. Bye. So, dude. Whee! Now. Fuck, what the? Oh, it's Flavor Saver. Really fills in the flavor. That's what it feels like with the dead cat against my mouth. Well, again, use your imagination.